Okay, so good afternoon, everybody. Wednesday, July 17th, 2024, 3:35 p.m. Eastern Time. Chad Xavier Harris here, recording live from ATL GAO National Highway, aka Dirty Nat. Old Dirty Nat. So, I'm showing you my Instagram pictures right now because I ended up deleting the pictures I took up until today to start it fresh because the week is almost over. So I'm just gonna go through the Instagram pictures to walk you through what's been going on. Okay, this morning I woke up with $50 in my Coinbase sent from one of my investor, trading partner, client, friends, Etsy on the Hollywood Trades Discord. You know, we went into business together, so I consult with him on trades. He's trading platinum with me, and I consult with him on the trades, help him out, make sure they go into profit, they hit his take profit, and he sends me money for the consultation fees. But the agreement is for me to use the consultation fees to actually, you know, put those, fees into my live accounts for capital, and then to buy prop firm accounts. So that's what I do. He sends me money, I buy a prop firm, and then I put the extra money on the live account and try to trade the live account. On the live account, I'm going to be trading the SPX mini, SP 500, US 500, Standard & Poor 500 mini contracts on my Trade Locker FSWay live account because it only costs like 15 cents per trade. So I do it with that because I'm trading platinum mainly, but platinum's going to cost like $7. So I have to wait to have like $30 in there to kind of buffer it up. And we just do it like that. So for every $30 I have in a live account, I'll do one platinum trade, and then we'll just be trading platinum in the live account. But until we get the capital up, scaled up to a certain amount, I'll just be doing the SPX, trying to scale up myself with those. So I'm in 10 trades on that. I have a 0.05 and twice, I believe, on a sell. And we're just going to be holding that until the hourly stochastic RSI goes green for SP 500, US 500. So this picture you're seeing right here is the first one I did this morning. This one is the calculations for buying Hotcoin, which is a cryptocurrency. It is the first holochain cryptocurrency. It's the first native coin of the holochain. Holochain is a distributed ledger technology, just like blockchain, which Bitcoin and all of the other crypto coins originated from the blockchain technology. So Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency, but Bitcoin is a blockchain coin, and blockchain is a DLT, or a distributed ledger technology. There are about 4 or 5 other DLTs. Tempo Radix XDR is the native coin of the Tempo Radix. Then you have the DAG or DGA Constellation. One of those is the name of the coin. The other is the name of the DLT. Then the other one is the Hedera hash graph. That's the name of the DLT, Hashgraph DLT, and the native coin for that one is the H bar. And then after that is the Holochain DLT, and the native coin of that is the Hotcoin. So right here you see HOT is the symbol name, HOT USD Hotcoin. So we're buying up. So I'm going to be putting my profits into the Hotcoin. My goal is to get 10 million Hotcoins. That will cost me $20,000. So just made $20,000 from trading platinum, and then throw that into 10 million hot coins. And that's what I'll be sitting on for retirement, and buying that for my family and friends and investors and things like that. So now to get back to today. Woke up, $50 in the account. Platinum was buying. We're waiting on platinum to sell. Platinum bought up to $1,028. And then I got into the sell just a little bit late, waiting for the 30-minute to switch over, and I caught it. And I caught the sell. And that sell, I caught it 10 times, so I made 162. This is a 10K profit firm challenge. Profit target 8%, then 4%, so that's $800, and then $400. So I made 160 out of the 800 so far. And then I went into some buys, the same lot size, 10 buys. I did one sample trade first, and then I did 2 of the 0.05s, but on the Maven profit firm they just call it 1. So it says 10, but it's really just like a 0.01 or whatnot, 10 times. So it's a 0.10, but they call it 10. So I have 11 buys in now. So the take profit back for $1,025. That will give me $300 profit. And add that to the 160 you made already on the sales. That would be 460. That would be half, a little bit over half of what we needed for phase one to be passed, and then we just focus on the sell, get the sell, try to make $300 off of a 0.10 or 10 platinum cells again, and then that 300 added to the other 300 would be 600 added to the 160, which would be 760, and then we just need less than 100 left to get the 800. So we might do more sales, a few more sales, just to make the actual 400 instead of 300. So we make 400 added to 400 on the sell, added to the 300 we made from this buy, to be 700 added to the, so we really just need to make 660 or whatnot, so or 640. So on this buy up, make 300, and then on the sell down, shoot for 400, take profit, and then we would have passed phase one. And we started the account about 9-10 a.m. this morning on Wednesday, so by 24 hours from now, it's 3:30 now, so by 3:30 p.m. tomorrow, we could be passed with phase one, and then we just have to make 400, and then we just do another, 10 trades, maybe 15, and get that 400 real quick, and then we can end out the week by Friday, being a funded trader, and then we'll get our account maybe by Monday, and we'll be a funded trader with a 10K account, and then we'll just go with that. And then once SEC sees that success, it'll probably start scaling me up more, and I'll keep getting consultation fees from helping them trade every day. So I'll just keep throwing the money into other prop firm accounts to do more challenges to scale up. So when you pass the next challenges, they might combine it all into one account, and you just keep adding more to your balance and your drawdown limit. So my drawdown limit for this 10K is $400. I can't lose any more than $400 and stuff. So that's that picture. Okay, boom. That's just like another picture, just showing the actual $10,000 balance and the margin level and the free funds and everything. So boom. This is a chart of the 15-minute. We were using the 30-minute Osma 12, 26, and 9, and the 30-minute Osma 6, 13, and 5, which you'll see on later charts. Okay, let's scroll through. This is the 15-minute again, 30-minute. Okay, hourly platinum, SPT is platinum. Okay, 30-minute. Boom. 15-minute. 30-minute. That's it. Okay, next one. This is investing.com, showing the charts. I was looking at either the 5-hour or the hourly, and then sometimes the 15-minute and the 5-minute. This looks like the 5-hour because the stochastic RSI is oversold at 15. I remember that one. And then this is also the 5-hour moving averages. I memorized that. This is the, I want to say the hourly right here. This most likely was the hourly, I think. It's probably the hourly right there. Yeah, and that's the hourly moving averages boxes right there. And then this would be the 5-hour again. And then this would be the 5-hour a little bit before that. And then there you go, right there, the 5 hours. So scroll up, next picture. This was what the charts were looking like on the hourly 5-hour before the sell this morning, when I caught the first sell this morning. Now you're gonna see a picture on here soon. One of my students, Racket 55, I got him to trade platinum with me this morning. So he sold it, and he has a 50K prop firm account. So I don't know his drawdown limit, but it's like 4% of that or whatever, 5% of that. So maybe like 5,000 or something like that. So he sold it. He put in, like, I did all the lots. I had to add them all up. He did like a 1.20 basically, I think so, kind of like a 1.20. So he made $500 off of that, like within an hour or two, and he closed out early. But the wave was about done there anyway, so it wasn't too early. And he was good. So I was like, "You gonna catch this buy with me?" He was like, "Yeah, let's go." And then he was like, "I want to run tonight, but I want to catch this buy up with you first." I was like, "Bet, let's do it." And then pause. And then I just called the buy a little while ago to him. He did the same lot sizes, so he should make 500. I told him once you make 500, cash out. And he was like, "What's your stop loss?" And I was like, "Set your stop loss for $500. You won't lose that much anyway, but set it for there. And then once you make 500, so that seems pretty rational. Like, If I lose 500, I'm out. If I made 500, I'm out. Boom, boom, we good. So if he makes 500 again, he just made $1,000 in one day on his first trades with me on platinum. And then from there we can talk, consultation fees after that. But for now, it's his prop firm challenge. He's not a funded trader yet, so I help him get funded. And then once he's funded and he's getting payouts and I'm helping him trade every day, then I'll just, talk to him about business. And it's like, okay, so I'll help you out with that day in, day out. And then to pay for my time, you just we do like $100 a month or something like that. You know what I'm saying? I'll help you make bands and bands and bands or whatever. However much you leverage, that's your decision. So it's up to you. But we'll make sure you leverage enough to where the $100 a month won't be nothing. And then you just pay that for my time and then we're good to go. And then I'll teach you the strategy as well. And then, you just be on the team with me or whatever. So, it's just the membership for being on the team basically. It's like playing sports, but like an AU or something like that. Or you got to pay to play. So pay to be on the team. And then, you're paying for the consultation. I'll be walking you through the trades. You'll be trading with me, give you your entries, your S's, your take profits, stop losses. I'll be handling everything for you, basically, just helping you out, helping you manage what's going on, calling out the signals for you, showing you how to read it yourself, just being that extra confluence for you when you figure out how to, trade it yourself. So we'll see what's up with that. And then, that money will just go to me getting more prop firms and throwing money in my live account and just keeping everything, me scaling up so I can get like him. I have a 50K account. I want a 50K account too, nigga. So let me help you pass yours. And then, you pay me consultation fees on a monthly basis or whatever, just a little small little fee, nothing. It'll be a small little percentage, of what you're making or whatever. But it won't be a set percentage. It'll be more like a flat rate. Like, I'll make sure you make way more than 100 in a month. And then that way you can easily shoot me 100 in a month. That's just 1,200 a year. It's real easy. You'll be making fuck around and make 1,200 today. You made 500 already, so you might be making, $1,000 a day with me. And then you just gotta shoot me $100 a month. That's a very good deal. So if you can accept those terms, then let's go. You know, it's just for my family's sake. I have to get paid for my efforts. So we do it like that. So boom, okay, scroll up, and boom, that was the price of platinum after I did the sale. I cut the sale like $1,015. Boom, so I was $10 in profit 10 times. So it would have been at close to like 150 or something like that, but maybe not because it closed out a little bit under that with 160. So I was on the way, and then this would have been maybe the hourly chart or something. I'm not sure. Next picture, that's Racket 55. Today at 10:16 a.m. Eastern Time, I just secured $500 for platinum sale. That was like a medium too. Like, I had to go and find the other pictures to see what time I got him into the sale. So boom, secure means he secured the profits by taking profits. Boom. So I just secured $500 for platinum sale. Okay, this is the profit I bought. Your payment was successful. I trade with Maven Trader. I use the Match Trader. I do 2 phases. At some point, I'll start doing 1 phase or whatnot, but I'm doing the 2 phases, like whatever. Because when you do the 1 phase, it reduces your drawdown limit possibly by like $50 or whatever. So daily drawdown limit 4%, $400. Profit targets phase 1 8%, then phase 2 5%, drawdown 8%. But the regular drawdown doesn't count because if you pass 400 negative, then you're out of the game. So okay, 2-step challenge, $38. So I put the rest into my live account, which I'll show you. So boom, that's what it looked like when I had to convert the Ethereum to the Bitcoin. Boom, that was the Ethereum. Then I converted it and lost that or whatever. I didn't convert all of it though. I converted like 44, so I could send the rest to my FSWay Trade Locker Live private capital account. Boom, that's it. Next picture. Okay, Racket. This was us preparing for the buy. I told him I had to make $400 profit, and I need 800 to pass phase 1. And then he was like, "What prop firm size do you have?" I said 10K with $400 drawdown limit. Then he was like 400 daily. I was like, yes. I was like, I'm just doing 10 trades at a time per wave. And the account, then I was asking him, is the account funded or challenge phases? He said, not yet, just bought it. I was like, good luck, I hope you pass it. And he said, thank you. And then I changed my name to SBR the guy because Holly, his name is Holly the man. So I'm like, if you're Holly the man, and I'm SBR the guy. So let's do it like that. And then boom, this is me talking to my student Rami. He lives in Kuwait. He's 15 years old, but he traveled to Tunisia to visit some extended family on holiday vacation. and he was saying that he taught his 19-year-old cousin who used to gamble how to trade. Like, he put in a gold buy based on the indicators I gave him, and she was just so impressed. So I was like, "You're awesome, bro. That made my day. Thank you. Keep spreading the strategy, bro." And then he was like, "Yeah, I want to do that too." We were talking about, I was like, "You're gonna change your whole family's life for the better." He was like, "Yeah, I want to do that too, bro. I want to do that, bro." And I was like, "You will. It just started." And then I was like, were they really impressed? They were really impressed to watch their 15-year-old cousin successfully place a winning trade. That must be insane. And I asked him, "What pairs did you trade?" It was a demo. I was like, "You're a walking superstar now." He was like, "Yeah, it made her money and she was impressed. Bro, she used to gamble before." He was like, "Gold." I was like, "You bought it?" He was like, "Yeah." And he was like, "It made her money and she was impressed." I was like, "She made a demo herself?" And he was like, "Yeah, I just told her to download MetaTrader." So then I was like, "That's great." And I asked him what time frame for the gold trades. I use daily. He said, "You bought it? What are you doing, Rami? What's up?" "Bro, she used to gamble before." "What kind of gambling?" "She's gonna love trading. Gambler's paradise." And then he was like, "She said she would enter with real money tomorrow." Then he said, "I told her to calm down." I was like, "Tell her, fuck it, let's go. We trading platinum." So boom, shout out to Trump. Trump burying the shooters that tried to assassinate him. That shit crazy. And then I've been watching The Matrix, binge watching that back to back for days, for almost like a week now. Just watching it back and forth. Now I've been watching The Social Network, Facebook, Biopic, back to back or whatever. So there is no spoon. Boom. There's no spoon. Boom. Then I always put a sports pick when I do a trade. So I'm like, that's my shot. Kobe, RIP to Kobe, the Olympics, number 10. I need that jersey. And boom, that's my favorite one right there. That last shot, hit that three, end of the game. I gotta go watch that game. And boom, Trump, they done posted his face on a Tupac picture, and Tupac was on his way to court to get convicted for the rape charge or whatever, or the sexual assault or the sexual misconduct, something like that, grabbing the buttocks case. And then he got shot the night before at Quad Studio. So they just put Tupac's. They put Trump's picture on. They put Trump's face on Tupac's picture. So that made me laugh. I'm a '90s baby. I know the reference exactly. So I already knew what it was. I was like, "Oh man, that's funny." So I had to post that. Boom. This is what the sell looked like when I closed it and I bought it up. Hourly hit 12. You see 12 right there, 12 sell. Hourly hit 12 sell, 0 buys. So that is what the SMT ICT traders refer to as the liquidity sweep. So the bears just took the price sell side. It was sell side liquidity sweep. I believe that's what you would call it. So the sell went down to the liquidity sweep. So when I say it's 12 red or 12 green on the hourly wave, that's the liquidity sweep that was conducted. So we caught the liquidity sweep this morning on the sales at the height of the buy when it was 12 green, and then we caught it all the way down to 12 red on the hourly, and now we're going back up to 12 green on the hourly again. And now it's aftermarket volume, so it's gonna be real slow. Should buy up all night into the morning time and whatnot. So we should be good. So I just wanted to make this initial video real quickly. And then right here, we got, the 12 red on the hourly moving averages. That's the liquidity sweep. Sweep is done. So now we're shooting up past 10, 12 again. And then this is what the account looked like when I first placed the buys up. So I did a one buy to set it up. And then I saw my signal, and then I took it 10 more times. So we got 11 in there. So that's the picture on there. And this one's just showing you the history, how I made a total profit of 162.80 in the last 24 hours. And then this one showing the close positions. The same picture is here, but I had to scroll up. I had to scroll down for this one, so I scrolled up for this one. So it's the same picture twice. This one just shows the actual trade, close time, close price, and volume. So I did 10 trades this morning. It doesn't say my entry, but it says my close price of 997 10 times. So boom. That's the original take profit I had on the sell, but it definitely did not hit there. It hit there a few days ago, but it did not hit there again. So there we go. Scroll up. Platinum 15-minute. Platinum 5-minute. This was showing when it was starting to buy up. You see the Osmo 12.26.9 on this 5-minute went positive. And right here, Osmo 12.26.9 on the 15-minute went positive. 30 minutes 6.13 went positive, so that's where I took my signal from. And then boom, 30-minute Osmo 6.13 positive, 314 points, 0.314. So I took that buy up 11 times. Then I started to call the buy up to Racket 55, who took it same lot size. And Etsy, he took it as well. He got into the buy a little early, so a small position, thank God. So he was just waiting, but it didn't go down too much lower than when he got it, so he was good. And then I was just like blowing his phone up, called him and everything, trying to let him know, hey, the buy's in there, I'm buying, let's go. And then he just hit me up a little bit after that, like, yeah, I'm in the buys. I bought in a little bit more. I said, all right, cool, take profits, what, 10, 20, 10, 30? He's like, yeah, between 10, 20 and 10, 30. You know, I set mine for like 10, 25 or whatever, so let's see what's up. And then I just put that picture again and the gritty filter. I always say it like that. That's my shot. Trading is a sport. So, boom, posted that one. Then this is my live account I was talking about with the scraps of what he sent me, the $50 to get the prop firm. Had like a few extra dollars. I trade in AUD, so whatever my, that's Australian dollars, so whatever my USD is, it adds to that by like 50% because the Australian dollar is going up. It used to be double. If you added $10 USD, it would be 20 AUD, so now it might be like 15 AUD or whatever. So shout out to Australia for getting your economy up and popping since the Queen has passed away, and Queen Elizabeth II. And so from there, I have to find another drug. So your economy is popping. It's a damn shame. So, boom. Talking to Ola, and I told him I would have sold gold, but platinum is enough for me. I got drafted at Team X PT. How much did you make off of that? 160 on the sell. Whoa, if it goes to 1025 again, now that's 300 again. I have to make 800. He was like, thank you, homie. He was like, you passed your shit yet? And then I was like, I just started this morning, bro. Give me until Friday market close. I want to be past with phase 1 by 25 hours from now and past phase 2 by market close Friday. Take all the time you need, bro. Taking it slow, same lot size every trade. Good. $150 to $300 per wave is what I'm after now. Wendy's paycheck per wave. Get a Wendy's paycheck every day or twice, and that's a Class A truck driver's paycheck for $2K weekly. Nobody does it better like you. It's like Holly does. And then I was like, thank you, man. And, So this was the general chat. I had told Drip, one of my first students, to buy platinum on a live demo. He was like, I think you're early. And then I was like, he thinks I'm early. See right there. He thinks I'm early. So then I was like, well, okay, let's see. I took the same signal I took for the sell, so whatever. And I guess that's the last picture. I told Racket 1025 take profit, TP miss, take profit. He was like, I'm in it. Do we have a stop loss? I told him I'll close out manually if it moves too bad against me. You can set it for $500 loss like you said earlier. I believe you could, giving you the same signal I gave him to sell. Thank you. When you made $500 cash out, that'd be $1,000 in one day. You've never had a $1,000 day that easy before, right? And then boom, that's it right there. So thank you all so much for watching. I just wanted to show you, give you a recap so I can come back and do another video showing you the actual chart and watching it move and go up as time progresses. So thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day. Love you all so much. Thank you.